Now it's time for I'm Just a Budgie with your host, Waffles the Budgie.
Hey kids, I sure hope you have a good time today.
So, Waffles, what's your favorite treat to eat?
For me, millet is just the best, but that's just me, and I'm just a budgie.
And how about
Know
what
what
you...
else is good? The blood of the innocent, but that's just me, and I'm just a budgie.
Wait, what was that?
And gosh, do I love murdering people, but that's just me, and I'm just a budgie.
Okay, we need to cut her off.
No one's cutting me off, you piece of shit, son of a bitch.